Hey hippies, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the newest collection from Jouer, and it is their French Riviera collection. In the collection there is the French Riviera matte and shimmer palette. There are two cheek and lip duos, and then there is also a Honey Kiss shimmer lip kit. I did purchase the whole collection and it was pretty cool because they had an option to buy the PR package, and I'm just kind of manifesting that one day I'll be a part of Jouer's PR. But until then, it's okay. I love trying new makeup and sharing it with you guys. So I wanted to try out the whole collection, and I think it's just pretty cool when brands give you the option to buy the PR kit. And I really love how Jouer's products are just clean, vegan, cruelty-free. It's just an all-around good brand, and I'm excited to keep trying stuff from them. So I'm really excited to show you guys these products in action, let you guys know my thoughts and my reviews, first impressions, and all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested in seeing my review on the Jouer French Riviera collection, then just keep watching. So I'm gonna start with this middle shade right here, and it's called Soleil. It looks like the perfect transition shade for the look that I have in mind with this palette. Whenever I test out makeup palettes, I do like to use as many of the formulas in the palettes that I can. So this is a matte shade, and that's why I'm using it as a transition shade. I feel like mattes are just the best eyeshadows to use for a transition shade and just to lay the base down for your eyeshadow look. Now I want to play with a shimmer shade, and this green is just calling my name. It just screams like mermaid vibes to me. So I'm gonna take it on a flat brush and just put that on the lid. I'm gonna put this all over my lid because it's just so pretty. It's like a really pretty pastel minty blue shimmer shade. I'm obsessed. Now I'm gonna take this blue shade and kind of just pop it in the middle of the eye. I'm not gonna go over everything that I just did. Okay, it's not as pigmented as the green, so I'm gonna try it on my finger because sometimes just shades like this work better and are more pigmented when you use your finger. So let's see. Oh yeah, a lot more pigmented using my finger. And I don't really have a look in mind. I'm just trying to test these out, and so far I'm really liking them. No fallout, which I'm really surprised about because most shimmer eyeshadows have fallout, so I'm loving that. And I want to try all of them. I'm just gonna swatch a little bit. Oh my gosh, this pink shade. Should I try it too? Where am I gonna put it? I'm just gonna put that kind of in the middle. Okay, this pink one just really gave like a good pop. That's why I'm only putting it on the center of the eye. And it's so pretty. All of these shades are gorge. Okay, I'm gonna deepen up the blue a little bit more on the outer corner. For the under eye, I'm gonna take that shade Ocean and sweep that across the lower lash line. Next up from the collection, I'm gonna be trying the Blush and Bloom Cheek and Lip Duos. There are two in the collection, and a little bit about these. It says a multi-use creamy cheek and lip duo with plant-derived squalene and rosehip oil to give skin a youthful look and a pretty flush of color with a shimmery finish. So there's two different sides. You can use them for your lips or your cheeks. I'm gonna be using them for my cheeks, and I'm just gonna go in and try it. See how it goes. Ooh. Okay, very creamy and pigmented. I'm gonna try the other shade on this side just to see. Or was that the same one? I think that was the same one. Let's just mix them. Okay, I might have put a little bit too much, but I'm gonna blend it out, and these are so creamy and pigmented, so I think that's why I went a little bit ham, but let's just blend it out and see how it goes. It's so pretty, and it's giving me just like a really pretty highlight as well. I have yet to really find a cream blush that I like, and I think it's mostly because I have oily skin and I'm just like, cream blushes, I don't want to use them. But lately I've been trying them. I know they're getting more and more popular, and this one is really beautiful and it's super easy to blend. It's not disrupting my foundation that I have underneath. So I kind of want to try it on my lips just to see. I know there is a lip kit in this collection, but I just want to try it. Should we try it? Let's try it. We'll just try a little bit. It looks so pretty on the lips. This was the shade Coquille. Okay, so pretty, and these are pretty cool. I like that you can do multi-use out of them. And I like how there's 2 different shades in each one. So that's pretty cool, and loving this, no complaints. So I am going to now take this off and we're gonna try the lip kit in the collection. The last thing I'm gonna try in this collection is the Honey Kiss Shimmer Lip Kit. This is a shine, balm, and lip liner. And these are in the shades Honey Kiss and Sienna Shimmer. So I'm gonna start with the lip liner. I don't think I've ever tried a lip liner that has a shimmer in it, so it's a little bit different for me, but I like the color. I feel like it would be really pretty all over the lips. Okay, let's try out this Shine Balm, and this is in the shade Honey Kiss. It smells good. That's the first thing I smelled right when I opened it. Not something I would normally wear or even buy, but it's so pretty. It's very shimmery, but not like glitter shimmery, just like the right amount of shimmery. I feel like this whole look would be just absolutely beautiful just during golden hour on the beach, just shimmering and glowing. Like, I am obsessed with everything I tried. So this is the completed look using everything from the French Riviera collection. The eyeshadows were so good. I love that there was no fallout with the shimmer shades. And I really like how there is a good mix of matte and shimmer shades. I love that in palettes because then you can create just so many looks with that. So really loving this palette. I can't wait to use it again. So I would highly recommend the eyeshadow palette. It is for sure my favorite thing out of the whole collection. Then the cheek and lip duos, I love these too. I have yet to come across a cream blush that I actually like, or when I apply it, it just doesn't mess up my other makeup. So these were super easy to work with, really pigmented, and I like how you can use it on your cheeks and your lips. I'm all for products that you can get some multi-use out of. And then the lip kit, I like it. It's not something that I would normally go out and buy or just wear on my lips, but now that I have it, I'm really glad that I tried it because I'm obsessed with this shimmery lip. So yeah, I really loved everything from this Jouer French Riviera collection. It is for sure Laugh Love and Hippie approved. Every single thing that I tried, I love, and I can't wait to use it again. I hope this video helped you guys out if you are interested in anything in this collection. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below with any of your questions, or if you guys are gonna try anything from this collection. I love talking about makeup with you guys. And that is pretty much all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.